Hey everyone, welcome back to CCT Teams Tutorials. Today, we are going to install this. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for the Chrome Web Store. Select the extensions. Let's type and search for the BrowsecVPN. You will find the BrowsecVPN, free and unlimited VPN extension. Click the extension to install it and add to Chrome. When prompted, confirm by clicking the extension and add to Chrome. An icon for the extension will appear to the right of your address bar. Let's manage your extensions and make changes. Turn on the extension and change browser time zone according to your virtual location. Now, you can search for the Reddit's website. The results will appear at the top of the main Google search page. Cool. Let's find dashcam video at this page. Anything caught by a car's dash camera, you can download it here. The video clip will contain information such as the driver, vehicle, location, speed, and bearing of the vehicle. Videos showing interesting road situations, collisions, close calls, and anything interesting. Reddit is so popular that it's actually a great resource for many things, including product recommendations. Since we review a lot of dash cams here, and other sources for car crashes time YouTube channel, we think it will be very useful for you. So, our video is complete. I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Have a good day.